Good evening, everyone. So, recently I posted a post on how the peels of the orange as well as orange, if it is dried and boiled, how it is useful for us, isn't it? Now, I'm going to just give you a tea made out of orange peel. That is the new ingredient I'm just going to show you. This week, actually, I wanted to show more of this orange peel. You can see I have removed the white part of it from the orange peel, and I have dried the orange peel for in the sun, not in sun dry. It's on the shade dry only. Shade dry I have done, and then just it is still soft. Okay, and then I've cut it into pieces and I've just stored it very neatly in a dry container in the fridge. Okay, now I have taken little only for just to show you all. See how nicely I have taken out even the white part of it. No, white, you just see only one or two. I just kept it. I just wanted to show you this white part of it is clearly removed. Okay, it doesn't have that, that withery part of white. One extra peel will be there, that is not there. So now as the water is boiling, what you have to do is this is a very good tea. Aroma will be amazing. Okay, so I'm just taking little bit. You can just see this will be say approximately 1 spoon that size. I'm just taking. You can just see that how I'm just going to take. See this much quantity of orange peel. I'm adding it to the this thing. I have kept only just a small cup full of water, that much only. Now I'm allowing it to boil. Okay, so actually it should nicely roller boil, then only it will be good. Now you see, very nicely. Let it reduce. Meanwhile, what we can do is that we can also take little quantity of water. It depends on how you want the water, if you want the water to be hot, okay, fine. If you want the water to be warm, that also up to you. So I'm just going to take up a little water and then add to this. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So you see, I added little more water for it to boil, and then we can take it. And one thing in this particular tea is that you don't have to stain it, because you are going to have the peel also along with the tea. That is very good. If at all you're feeling that you don't want it, you can stain it. Okay, but I'll tell you, preferably this is good that if you have it with the peel, right? And it's a very tasty one. Now just see what I am going to do, right? So I'm taking this in a fresh cup. Okay, see, I've just kept a cup ready for it. I've washed it and I've just kept it. You can see how light orangish color the cup is, and then you can just see this, isn't it? So if you're feeling it's too very hot, or you want it to be added with hot water, fine. You don't want hot water, it is fine like that, only water is boiled, it's also fine. Then this is and the honey bottle. Yeah, I'm just showing you the brand I'm using. And this is pure honey. It is given 100% Australian honey. It is given. This is tasting good, and it doesn't dry up. So that shows that maybe this is an authentic honey. So I'm just taking this, and this honey I'm adding it to this to my taste. Okay, so I take half a teaspoon of that only. I don't take more of sweet teas. Generally I take tea without all this. And in this, one more thing you can add is that if you like, you can add ginger. Okay, it will be tasting too good if you add ginger. right? So this tea is the one which is going to be one of the best tasty recipes you can have. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, that is the peel of this I showed you, no, you can add it in all your sweets and everything whatever you're preparing, provided if you are adding honey, you have to soak it in honey. Okay, you have to soak it in honey and keep it. You can use in cakes, you can use in any sweet you're preparing. You can just add this for flavor. Amazing flavor you will get if it is soaked in honey and preserved. If you soak it in honey and keep it, no, it won't get spoiled at all. You can keep it outside for years together. Okay, and more it will turn into little brownish color. The more it will be soaked a number of days, and it will have more taste. Amazing it will be, and you can add it to any food whichever you like that orange flavor to be added. Okay, and another one thing you can do otherwise is that this is a one day dried pea. Okay, you can also keep the fresh orange peel, and that also you can remove that white part and all, and same way you can prepare tea also, as well as you also can soak that fresh peel in honey. Amazing it will be. The aroma you will not imagine. Such a tasty one you will get. And this is the new tea for you today, and with a clip of it, and I'm just closing this video. Please prepare and see. Don't waste the peel. Peel has got all the ingredients than the orange and the orange juice. Same with lemon also. Okay, lemon peel has got all the ingredients more than the lemon juice. That's why those days they prepared pickle, with the skin. And if you see in all the food items, especially in many European countries, they are using the peel, that is the skin of the lemon or skin of the oranges, are created and added to for flavor. It's just not flavor, it is also a health ingredient, especially for skin and aging. Will be really, it will be helpful in reducing the aging phenomena. Okay, enjoy. See you all soon.